Hello. Hello everyone, how are you doing? How is your evening or your day? Hi Cat Peasant, hi Yasmin, hi Fluffy, hi Frank. What is the single most important computer skill to learn in your opinion? That depends. Completely depends. I mean, one of the... Oh, I should actually... turn on my camera. Hi everyone. So, I think one of the most important skills at all is probably... It is to quit Vim. Yeah, or Emacs if you toggle bit. The most important thing probably is to manage your time. And keep notes. So if you learn how to keep notes properly and how to manage your time. Yeah, I'm terrible too. I have WimWiki installed, but I always forget that I have it. So let's see how everything goes. But I need to use it more today. Today's not gonna be this much programming because it's all preparing for... I already looked that up as well. Okay. So today we're preparing for this thing. Yeah, so Minecraft Mod Madness. Wait. Five minutes late giveaway pre-roll. Yeah, I'm absolutely sorry. The thing is, the only alternative. It's a pre-roll about a sub-roll. Oh, good. Yeah, the only other alternative would be for me to run ads every time I take a break, which I might start doing. Not for the money. Well, if I take a break for a minute or something like that, and I roll a 30-second ads, as a 30-second ad. Yeah, I'm running more ads, but I don't have to run pre-rolls ever. That's the thing. And while I'm gone, while I'm taking a break, there's nothing to see anyway. You know what I mean? You have to roll like 2 minutes worth of ads. Okay, got it. Well, okay, that's not worth it. That's true, that is not worth it. Okay. Oh, I wanted to explain what Minecraft Mod Madness actually is. Yeah, it's still 2 minutes of ads every hour. We'll never hit that. So I take 2 to 3 breaks maximum during my streams. On a normal day, sometimes a bit more, sometimes a bit less. And I thought about just doing like 30-minute, doing a 30-minute ad during my break. No, doing a 30-second ad or a minute ad or something like that, and be done with it. But if it's every hour, we'll never hit that. Okay, Minecraft Mod Madness. What is it? I had the idea to just create a Minecraft server where players and developers play on it, but the developers have the possibility, or maybe the devs shouldn't play actually, otherwise they could cheat themselves. Good stuff. So basically there are players and devs, and the devs can create mods, upload them to one GitHub repository they own, and every night at a certain time when we restart the server, when we do a daily reset. I wanna rebuild every repository that's registered for the developers and auto upload anything that's up there. So if you're a developer and you want to make a crazy mod or a crazy plugin, you can just do that, and the next day it's just active. No review, no anything kind of style. Hey, Manti. Okay, so let me just catch up a bit. When the streamer runs a 30-second ad break, pre-roll ads will be disabled for the next 10 minutes. That's still stupid. When a streamer runs a 16-second ad, 20 minutes. Okay. Yes, it's basically 10 minutes per 30 seconds. Yeah, so that's the basic idea. And I also want to fix my schedule a bit. So Mondays is gonna be Minecraft Mondays from now on, where we will work on the server, work on CI, work on test stuff. It's gonna be it's an insane amount of work. Yeah. Also maybe I also want to contact a few streamers once I have something and get them. And get them to help me, because I know a few streamers who just do nothing else than mod dev, and would be cool to have them on board. But today I want to basically decide, pardon me, basically want to decide which Minecraft server version we're using. So if we're gonna do just paper MC and plugins only, or if we're gonna do something like what was the name? SpongeForge, which should be Sponge plugins and Forge mods, so you can do server mods and server plugins and local plugins and stuff. Yeah. If I had more interest in Minecraft, I would be down. That's fair. Yeah, so that's completely fair. I do understand if people don't want to join. The first version I think will be invite only, so we're gonna get a few streamers, a few players who wanna join the server. We're gonna get a few devs, which will be whitelisted. If it goes well, we could open it up for players. You've never played Minecraft before? Well, if you want to participate, you should start learning Minecraft then. It's not hard. It's a cool game. If you like to be creative and build stuff, it's really cool. There is no time like the present then. Yeah. Yeah, and like I said, if everything goes well, maybe open it up to the public a bit. Or maybe make a second server or something like that. Also with a whitelisting for the devs, because that's the hardest thing, I think, or the hardest thing. That's the most dangerous thing, to just let anyone deploy any kind of mod. So we don't want to do that. Maybe when my Switch arrives. Yeah, I mean, I'm more of a keyboard and mouse kind of guy for stuff like Minecraft, but I think Minecraft is fine with controller or something like that. What is modded MC? I mean, let's see, Minecraft. I don't think you can run mods on the Switch. I think the Switch is Bedrock. Let's Google that first. Switch, Minecraft. I don't think that runs Java. €30. Wow. Supports 8 players online. Well. Sorry for the whiteness. So there is... Yeah, so it's basically not the cross. It's not the Java edition. And we're gonna do everything for the Java edition. Why is it $30? It's $30 because Nintendo. Yeah. No, it's just Nintendo. Okay, cool mods. Let's see what we find. 50 best Minecraft mods. Let's go there. So this basically, yeah, so stuff like Optifine for better performance, and there is whatever that is. Oh, a chest transporter. Yeah. So just cool stuff you can do with the game. I think there is a mod which adds nuclear reactors and electricity and stuff. So. Okay, so what was the thing called again? SpongeForge? SpongeForge. Community-driven open source Minecraft Java Edition modding platform. Okay. Sponge on top of vanilla Minecraft. SpongeForge. It's the same with Forge. Okay. Oh, it's 1.12.2. Isn't there something newer? The thing is, I don't wanna quite. I don't wanna make a server on 1.12.2. That's not cool. I know most current mods are on 1.12.2, but because we wanna create mods ourselves, shouldn't actually be a concern to us. So Minecraft server mods plugins. If anyone knows some kind of server we can use. Sadly, I do not. Ah, okay. I mean, it's fine. What's Magma Foundation? Enchant your Forge server. Most powerful Forge server, providing you with Forge mods and bucket plugins, using Spigot and Paper for performance. Okay, that sounds cool. And they do have a one. No, they don't have a 1.15. They also don't have a 1.14. Okay, so I think we'll start with Paper MC then. And just start with plugins first, and we'll evolve it. So that's Paper MC. Hey Tommy Luca, did you get some sleep yet? Okay, let's see. Oh, we're at 116 already. That's true. What's waterfall? Okay, bungee cord. Okay. I don't think we need bungee cord yet right now. No, I worked and failed on my Archlux BTRFS install. I was waiting until you're online to say hi. That's nice. That's really nice. But I've already said it. Sleep comes first. So I do want all of you to watch my stream, but not instead of sleeping. Okay, what's needed to be defined? Let's make a new section. Yeah, I know, but the thing is, sleep is really important for doing cool stuff. So if you sleep better, you can do cooler stuff. Might be a bit earlier if I don't sleep. Probably. Okay. What do I want to call this section? Let's call it software for now, until I find some better words. Gonna use paper MC version 1.16. Whatever. 1.16.5. Okay, which is plugins only. Let's see how far we go with that. So for CI, because that's gonna be one of the most important things. Do we actually use Jenkins for that? Because I think everything should be inside of a Docker container or something like that. Well, maybe I head towards bed now. As I said hi, later on I give the overcomplicated Arch install another try. Or maybe I just leave out the lux part and just make it BTRFS system with need encryption. Yeah, don't do the parts you don't need, right? Also, can't you install it later on? Why won't you use X4? What the BTRF snapshot functionality? I have no idea what that is. BTRFS snapshot. I mean, I can guess as it's backup stuff. Good. First create a subvolume. Copy files to subvolume. Let's copy some data files to subvolume. Okay. So it's just backing up. It's not a normal backup. As it's a copy on write file system, it's actually really cool. I mean, I would have to read more about that. So, gonna move it to my other browser. So that I won't forget about reading about it. Well, as a Manjaro user, you would be able to use it anyways. I feel attacked now. No, I don't. I absolutely don't. Some features are unstable. Okay. Okay, back to the hard questions. Do we want to use something like Jenkins? So my idea would be something like using Docker or Docker Compose. Give it a list of repositories to regularly check out, and give it a list of repositories and give it a time when it needs to restart, and it should try to recompile all the stuff on its own. Because I want the Docker isolation, because if some dev decides he wants to abuse the plugin powers he has, it should lead him nowhere, actually. So I don't want people to install that on the normal PC and get hacked. Well, unstable working, but something like file system corruption, which is a common thing in X4, for example, is a non-issue BTRFs. I've never had file system corruption in X4. I mean, I haven't used it that much, so that might be why, but okay, anyone know of build server stuff that's not Jenkins? Build servers which are easy to set up. How often did you reinstall? I mean, like I already said, I use Linux on my home PC for about 2 or 3 months now, and I've never reinstalled on my home machine. And on server, I quite often reinstall, but not myself, because it's always rented servers. So just press a button and wait an hour and it's done. Okay, server systems should be run in ZFS. Well, I just order the servers. I really don't care what they're running on. I think my server is probably also on X4. I really have no clue. Anyways, build servers. Does anyone know of build server alternatives for other than Jenkins? I need something that's easy to. Sorry, okay, take care, maybe see you later. Yeah, no worries, it's fine, it's completely fine. The thing is, I have not absolutely no idea. But I'm not a professional sysadmin, even though I've learned everything. I went to school. Oh, I can't talk today. The thing is, I did a little bit of sysadmin work, but mostly on Windows. So I have absolutely no idea if my server runs ZFS or not. I've read about ZFS, but I don't know stuff in detail enough to contribute to a discussion like that. So I can't add anything other than, yup, probably should use it, but I really have no idea. You were the sysadmin, you were WinAdmin. I mean, it's fine. WinAdmin is basically just reboot until it works, right? Okay. Build server. What do we get? No worries, no worries. I know you're joking. with admin is update and pray. Yeah, I mean, in one of the companies I worked with, they had actually an update server, WSUS server, and there was an admin who once a month or something like that, or when critical updates came out, would check the updates on a few PCs, and only if that went through, only when that went through, they were deployed, they were rolled out to the whole company, which is kind of nice. It wasn't that big of a company, so a few hundred people. How to build a server from scratch? That's not what I want. Minecraft build servers. That's also the one I want. No, I wanna create something where. Okay, where am I? Okay, so the basic idea is that there will be developers who will program their own plugins, and every night we will automatically update those plugins. So if you want to do crazy stuff inside of a plugin, you can just do that, and players will just have to deal with the surprise the next day when they play. That's the basic idea. So, like, if you're a developer, I'm a player, and you want to do a new item which just explodes when it's used wrong or something like that, you should be able to do that. Makes and everything is actually TNT plugin. Yeah, there's also a rule to not just kill players. I think it should be a bit refined though, because I don't want to disallow killing players completely. But if you do a plugin where everyone just dies, that's not fun for anyone. Could be randomly rewarding. Yeah, if it's fair, it will be refined TNT. Yes, yeah. Yeah, so like I said, there are on the one hand, it's for people who want to stream plugin dev. So they have streaming content they can show. And on the other hand, there are people who want to just play Minecraft and get surprised with crazy things. And if the plugin dev now decides to, okay, everyone explodes just every time they want to take a step or something like that, that's not fun for the players, right? Also, there are rules like not removing essentials. Like you can't just remove the eggs. Water and lava are randomly each other. Wow. I'm not even sure we can do that with plugins. It would be fun for the programmer. I'm not quite sure how fun it would be for the players. So, and we need to balance that. So it would also be fun to just make everyone explode. So, or everyone drops dead every 100 steps or something like that if they're not jumping. Dives into water, dies burning to death. Yeah, like I said, I think it's funny as a developer if you do something, but it's not funny if you're a player and you don't know about it. Every meat from animals is zombie meat, and every zombie meat is steak or so. Okay, that's something we could do, okay? Because you have a replacement. Every zombie meat from zombies is everything changes into something else randomly. So sometimes it's meat, sometimes it's zombie meat, sometimes it's lava. So we are just being silly now. It's fine. It's completely fine. Yeah, even lava changes into lava. So there are no mod routes right now. That's gone. What's needed? Docker. I need to learn Docker. I have no idea how Docker works. Low chance for anything to drop as lava. Okay, I think I know which developer doesn't get an invite. Lava feeder block. Well, let's say you eat too many chicken wings, you can start to fly if you have 2 stacks of feathers in your inventory. I mean, if you can program something like that and it's somewhat safe, like if you can really fly for a certain amount of time, and it not just randomly drops you every time you do it. So one time it's 10 minutes and one time it's just 5 seconds or something like that. I'm down. I'm fine with that. But on the other hand, there is no such thing as too many chicken wings. Then make the feathers your fuel, so yeah, that would be cool. The thing is, I'm also not quite sure what you can do with stuff like that. And we might need to hack a few things together for a modded client. Really gotta go now. Yeah, have a good night, Tominuku. Sleep well. Get some rest. Okay, I still have no build server. I mean, we could probably just do a few scripts ourselves. Just call them. Because if we do something like Jenkins, Jenkins needs to be set up properly. With all the installation and stuff. I'm not sure if that's worth it. So maybe we'll just build ourselves. So alternative is DYI CI/CD. Whoa. I think that would actually offer more flexibility, though. Right? Okay, let's make an actual directory for that. Projects. That's for Minecraft Mod Madness. Will okay, let's see. Come on, browser. Do what I want. Not what I press. Let's do Java build server. Let's see if we find something. No. Okay. You don't want an Azure pipeline for that. Octopus deploy. What's octopus deploy? Probably not Frida. I have one deployment target. Holy crap. I think that's overkill. I think that's probably overkill. Okay. Minecraft. Let's start with Docker Compose, because we'll probably need that. Overview of Docker Compose. Compose is a tool for defining running multi-container Docker applications. With Compose, you use a YAML file. Big YAML files. To configure your application services. Then with a single command, you create and start all of the services from your configuration. Makes sense? To learn more about all the features of Compose, see list of features. Okay. Okay, I don't care. Compose works in all environments: production, staging, development, testing, as well as CI workflows. You can learn more about each case, income use cases. Define your app's environment with a Docker file so it can be reproduced anywhere. Define the services that make up your app in the Docker Compose YAML so that they can be run together in an isolated environment. Run Docker Compose up. Oh, that's for our app. For our app itself. Okay, got it. I think I've already installed it. Getting started with Compose. Let's see. Or do I? I haven't. Huh? Okay, so here it's just called Docker. Got it. So it's not Paro, it's Paro. Paro Docker. What? Sudo pacman Docker. And I can't type my password, apparently. Okay, let's do that. Wait. Docker engine for no Arch. Wait, so is that an all-in one? Docker. No. Pacman. Can't pipe. Docker compose. Okay. I've already installed that. So just makes an application, makes a Docker file. Okay. Okay, let's just do the tutorial. Wrong button again. I think I'm one of the only devs who actually don't know how to use Docker, because I've never needed it. So that's a requirements txt. Requirements txt. Paste that. Write and quit. Okay. Base image. I've never touched Docker in my life, so you aren't alone. That's good to hear. I know a few people who use Docker every day, even for a minor stuff, because of isolation and so on and so forth. But I'm not one of them. And now I have to learn it on stream. Okay, so we'll have Flask app and Flask run host. That's environment variables for Flask, which is kind of like a build system for Python. I have no idea. What is Flask? Welcome to Flask. What are you? Web dev. Oh, it's a web framework. Okay. Okay. Run APK at no cache. Oh, it's because of Alpine. That's the package installation. Copy requirements txt to requirements txt. Run pip install requirements txt. Okay, got it. Suppose 5000. Copy everything else. Wouldn't it just be necessary to do that alone instead of all of that? Copy the current directory into the project working directory. Yeah, I mean, that's the same thing as that, right? Whatever. Okay, let's do a Docker compose YAML. What? Okay. Composed file defines two services, web and Redis. Yeah, so web is basically from current, built from current, and the Redis is Redis on Alpine. Okay. Docker compose up. Docker compose up. Why are you crashing? What? I missed something. Hey Tugglebit, have fun doing your taxes. I know there is no fun in doing taxes, but try to have fun. Class at Texas. Let's see if that runs. Is the Docker daemon running? I don't know. Oh. Makes sense. Come on. System CTL. Yeah, I haven't enabled it, so it's just me being stupid again. So Docker. And me not being able to type my password correctly. Okay. Started as well. Let's do that. First success percentage goes down 60% when I'm on stream. That's understandable. Okay, if you want to be able to run as a non-user, I should re-log in. Can't I do that without re-logging in? On stream password 100% when you show it. Yeah, that's one of the things I'm actually scared about. Like if I'm thinking what I'm typing and maybe I'm spelling it out loud. So is there an add user? How do I add a user? Arch add user Docker. That is the exception for sure. Already exists. Okay. Come on. Okay. Does that do what I wanted to do? We should restart. What? Docker now. Now, are we able to run that? Okay, pulling. Okay, so that worked. Now let's do the Docker up stuff. Docker compose up. I think it was 5,000. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take a short break and then we'll continue. Be right back. And I'm back. Already done with your taxes? That's nice. Wanna do mine next? Okay, Docker is running. Hello world, I've been seen 1 times. Let's hold down the button a bit. Was it fun? Was it fun doing your taxes? Did you enjoy it? Also talk a bit, how's your experience level with Docker? Are you Docker Pro? Okay, I've already done that. Blah blah. There's a little bit of most usages. It's unencrypted and unauthenticated by default. Okay. Can das Taxen schlafen? Remove the taxes. It's kinda the taxes sleep, but in German, if you say Taxen, that sounds like the plural of taxi, kinda. You have used Docker a bit. Docking master. Yeah, so basically the idea is come on. Force. Yeah. So the basic idea is for the Minecraft stuff. Okay, let's make my own substrate. No, not substrate. Blockchain section with substrate in it. Now that's gonna be substrate not in it index. Yes. Where's my cursor? It's take that. Paste. Oh, I need to do something with that someday. Okay, yeah, the text, die Steuern sind tot. The texts are dead. Oh, the old German taxi sleep. Yeah, the Texas are sleeping with the fish. That's a kind of mafia way to say it. Though. Are you in the mafia? Mr. Cool Cow? Are you in the mafia? What do you want to tell us something? Yeah, taxes are Steuern. Okay, Minecraft. Tommy Luca was all about the awesome VM, and I instantly can't say that I love it. The thing is, there was some. Isn't awesome VM part of the suckless things? No. Okay. That's what I was aiming for. Yeah. So someone recommended to me some of the suckless software, and I looked at it, and the configuration for the software is basically there is a C file with all the config in it, and if you want to change it, you change the C file and recompile. I mean, Whitesec goes on stream on Twitch. Oh, yeah, Window Manager. Awesome Window Manager. Sadly have no idea how Vimium how I can jump to the address line in Vimium. Maybe I'm just too stupid. Oh, that's too white. Can't be bothered. Hey, we don't need all of that probably. Configuration is recompiled. Yeah. I don't actually know. I think it's more lightweight. The thing is, the screenshots don't tell me anything, right? So, I mean, that looks kind of like i3 gaps with a theme, but I have also no idea what I'm talking about. So, Tommy was excited about it and I don't want to be an old salty dinosaur, so check it out. Now I'm crusty and salty. I mean, it's probably just a small code base, no bloat version of i3, if you want to say it like that. Are there features? Dock. I mean, it's configured with Lua. It says everything. Yeah. Google it. Give us the gist of it. Okay. We built something with Docker Compose. Oh. What? Who's pressing the wrong buttons again for me? Docker image OS. Why are you this way? Also, VM has loads of craft. i3 seems to be a lot more lightweight, and Awesome starts off as cascading window manager, so really not feeling the love. What's a cascading window manager? Should we open Reddit on stream? blob it. What could go wrong? Nah. Just remembered what name I have in Reddit. Cascading windows is terrible. I think I'm just tired now after all the taxes. That makes sense though. Okay, I can Can I now do that? I can. Okay, so let's Docker compose that again. Is it in temp? Compose test. What? Shouldn't it list me something? Should I sudo it? No. Let's bring something. Cheers. Trusty Eagle choose our trusty Eagle choose thermos can. You can definitely tell who takes their cues from talk about stream in relation to the point events. I have no idea what you mean. What? What? Okay, I don't know why that doesn't work, but whatever. In your project, to add a bind mount. What's a bind mount? What's a bind mount? It's Docker compose. It's the volume stuff, right? Yeah, volumes key mounts the project directory to the to host the code inside the container, allowing you to modify the code on the fly without having to rebuild the image. The environment sets. Okay, so can I remove the copy? No, I can't remove the copying. Whatever. Just do what we always do. Just copy and paste whatever the tutorial tells us. Whoop, not that. Kind of. So. Plus Shift P. Oh, the only thing I didn't change was the typing game stuff, because it's still set to monkey type instead of TCC. So okay, let's close that. Let's compose that again. I have a debugger pin. Wow. It's exactly what I wanted. Okay, temp. Compose test. We app.py. Does that mean I can do that now? Yes, I can. Hi, Twitch. I also had another idea for the typing game. So I did something the other day. That's nice. Doing something is nice. No, what did you do? Tell us. I also did something today, but I also did something the other day. That's very cool. Do you want to tell us about what you did? Or do you not? That also reminds me of a Mitch Hedberg joke. Okay. What did I actually want to say right now? Oh yeah, I had an idea for the typing game. Okay, yeah. So that's the thing. Okay, no. I had an idea for the typing game. You could, for instance, include its own source code. So if you call it without a directory, it will just use the packaged up source code instead. Something like that. Yeah, I used to do drugs. I still do, but I used to too. Side quest time. Yeah, should we open another another pull request and derail Toggobit for a whole stream again? Is that what we want? Thing is, I need to get stuff done for that too. So. Is there even a thing? I mean, we could probably write the builds exactly what we want. There is already a new pull request. So... I already did a new pull request, so... Is it enough to derail a whole stream? I don't know. But I tried. Exactly what we want. Okay, so we... Let's go to Docker Hub. What I bit, my dad apologized. It wasn't much of one. It was made. Okay. Sign me in. I think I'm gonna go with a Manjaro as well. Sure, Bill. Silent Sea, thanks for the follow. How are you doing today? How was your day? It was more sorry for fighting with you. It was like, okay, are you sorry for pulling X out on me as well? Who knows? He was raised to... Oh, okay. I know what's... kind of know what's going on. I mean, I don't know the specifics, but... By the sound of it, that's... Yeah. Stuff like that is always hard. But you probably know that. So now I should be able to do something like that. Do image equals... Right? Oh wait, no. I don't want to do that actually. No, it's fine. It's completely fine. Frozen snowballs and outliner. Well, once I get my green screen, we can do stuff like that. Hopefully. Froze bear cool cow says Muma at everyone. Can you stop throwing my views around? That's not very nice. Wait, I have a binding for them. So we want... Yeah, let's open the Docker file. Why do you need the green screen? Just make your wall interesting instead. It's a rented apartment. I'm not allowed to do much with the walls. Also, you can do really crazy stuff with green screens. And I wanna get this. I wanna get the stream to more crazy levels. If that makes sense. If I had an interesting background, I wouldn't use the screen. I mean, that's kind of understandable, but like I said, there are certain things I want to do, I want to try. So that thing is, can I do something like that? Where Pacma minus S no confirm. Does that work? I have no idea. Yeah, so I think I've said it someday. I don't want to get as crazy as being streams sometimes are, but I do want to get a bit of craziness because I think it's good for view engagement. So let's see how everything works out. The image for the service you're trying to recreate has been removed. Okay. Repository doesn't exist. What? A year ago? Okay, then that's probably not the thing we want. Signature base? What? I mean, I have no idea what I'm doing, so... Oh, wait. Shouldn't there be a colon? No. Okay, what's the thing we used here? Where's my Docker file? Docker file, give me something. Okay, Docker, getting started. Download Docker for unknown OS. That's not nice. Isn't there some kind of documentation how to get started with Docker? Oh, wait. Our application. Okay, does anyone know how that name gets built? Is that something like namespace stuff, or maybe? How do we use it in the Docker file? Okay, let's do something else. Not something else. There is, I know there is GitHub, Rus. Probably written wrong. No, it's written right. Okay. And they do have a Docker file, and they have their own stuff. Okay, so that's the namespace thing with latest? What? What and how? Why? That's the image name, so no namespace. You can have namespaces. Okay. Station. So I should do that colon latest. Except not use Rustation test. So also that's not built. Or is it built? I don't know. It's space and latest, right? So that should be it. Continue with new image. Yes, please. It's not Manjaro Linux build though. What is happening? Oh. That needs to go. So now let's see if it works. It does? Okay. Python get OS. What are you trying to do? I'm following along, but I also under constant attack from the child. I'm just trying to understand Docker right now. Because I want to use it for... Can I just add that here? os.name. What's its name? Because I want to use it for building and deploying the whole Minecraft stuff. Wait. That's sleeping music. And now I want to just want to check if the Redis installation was the Redis what am I talking? I want to check if the Arch stuff worked. So name Manjaro Linux is not defined. Huh. I mean, shouldn't... Am I using format wrong? Probably using format wrong. Python string format. No, I don't actually use format wrong, right? Or at least I think I shouldn't be using it wrong. Okay, let's just print. Change it to hello Twitch again. Come on. Shouldn't that reload? Line 5. Oh! Import OS. Okay, let's change that again. Also, the schedule for tomorrow is C++ stuff. So if you want to see some C++, you should definitely watch tomorrow. Okay, let's force restart. We're gonna do some T-Wells modding. Vim buffers or tubs? Yes. No, I have no idea what you what you're asking. I think I'm using buffers. And I have a plugin which prints my open buffers on top. Hello from POSIX. Okay, can we... Wow. It's platform system. Let's try platform system. Platform... C++ by the face. CT, comma, platform system. So it did detect the change. Let's restart. Hello from Linux. That's not what I expected. Yeah, it's buffers. It's buffers. Pretty sure it's buffers. Okay, let's try something else. So much trying. Docker file. So shouldn't I be able to do something like uname minus something? More terminals. Minus A? Minus R? Minus R. Yeah, tomorrow I want to pick up T-Volts modding again. And might as well do it on stream, right? So it didn't print the thing I wanted it to print. Why didn't it print the thing I wanted it to print though? Okay, how do I run that in Python? Python run binary. Wait, just exec? Stack Overflow. I thought you wanted the full output. No, I just wanna check if we're actually on Manjaro or not. So can't I just do exec? Not that, the other one. Uname minus R, something like that. Oh wait. Yeah, I know. I absolutely know, but I kinda still do it. Oh god. Uname is not defined. Huh. Okay, well it's not the Flask image. So come on. Where are my buttons? That's not where my buttons are. The image name is the name of the Flask image. Things are being said that might as well be WebDev to me. Oh wait. Can't I do something like that? No. What? Permission denied. The thing is, I just installed Docker today, and it kinda isn't working as it should. No such service. Is there Docker Compose? Images ls? Why is there no ls? Images. Compose test web. Compose test. What? No. Oh, because I can't type. That's the problem. Also not. _1. Oh. It's the name of your images. Oh, that's what you mean. It should be web, actually. Yeah, but there is no uname. Massive latency here. Let me restart. It's just me not me not responding properly, I think. Okay. So uname alternative. No, it's just web. It's just a web. But it doesn't know uname. So It's a base Linux with nothing on it. My name is Bear. What is your name? Hi, my name is Hardliner. Okay, let's try something else. Let's do Pacman minus S. What could we install from Pacman? What's a package that's definitely in Pacman? Ripgrab? Ripgrab. Wrong. Okay, so there isn't even a Pacman. I mean, I know what you're doing, but I have no clue what you're doing. Docker makes me sleepy at ADHD. Just run LS. Okay. It's probably not even an LS on there. Okay, LS works. Oh, wait. Oh, come on. So uname minus, come on, do the thing. Okay. That's it. Yeah, the thing is, I'm also not very thrilled about the thing we're doing right now, but it needs to be done. So, like the input. Oh, is it better now? Yeah, sorry. Okay, so we have the correct thing right now. Yeah, my typing is all over the place today too. Okay, so now we have Manjaro running. Let's try to get that running as well. You know, probably don't need those. Okay. So there is no Pac-Man? What? Why? Yeah, I know. Okay, so you mean like that, right? So let's do... Does it now? No, that didn't install anything. So swap terminals again. Docker compose. Is there a clean or something? Docker compose up. Show me the Docker file you want to install something on. Okay. It's probably completely wrong, and this was an Alpine install thing before, and I just tried to mangle it to use Pacman instead. So it's not projects. While running, no. I'm not sure. So let's do exec rg. Let's do new group Docker first. Okay. So Docker build dot minus t web. Okay. Is the minus t web actually needed? Because it's local anyway, right? Once you change the image, you need to rebuild it. Stream stopped here. Oh, wait. No. Am I on again? Once you make a change to the Docker file, you need to rebuild it. Okay, is the stream on again? I think it was just Docker rebuilding. It's the SY. Yeah, you're streaming. Okay. So we need a Y in here. Okay, that's because if I download that, it's gonna unrestrictedly download all the things. Wow, much latency. Yes, it's gonna break off again, probably. Because of the installation. Let's see. Okay, there is no muzzle dev. It's probably just muzzle. Yeah, I want to search for muscle. Thanks a lot. Okay, so let's try that instead. Docker file. Rebuild again. Let's see if it works. Could not be locally signed. Okay, finally it's working, so... Oh no. Networking is red again. Can you still hear me? Is it still running? Pip command not found. Huh. Okay. Still pip arch. It's still running. Okay. The thing is, I see OBS going red, but I'm not sure if it's completely gone or not. That should install Python as well, right? Because it should be a dependency. I can waffle without trying to be... I can hear, but the latency makes it impractical for me to chat. Yeah, just throw things at me, that's fine. I think once we're done... I think once we're done with all the reinstalling stuff, it should actually be better. Fail to execute properly. Okay, do a care though. So once everything's running, up and running, maybe try reloading, and you should get a better latency. The thing is, what? What are you on about? Package not found error, pip. Huh? But I did install it, right? Is pip in your requirements? No, pip is needed for the requirements. I installed pip with Pacman. Do I need to install Python as well? Shouldn't that be a dependency? Do I need to do this? Pip is not in. No, pip is not in my requirements. Is that the thing I want to do? It's probably not. It is probably not, but let's try anyway. Is it the correct pip? I don't know. Are you going for Python 3 or 2? It should be free by default, I think. Hopefully. So I hope the tutorial expects Python 3, but I think it should. Network is going red again. No. Cannot import name 6 from pip vendor. What? How? Why? That Python 4. Yeah, that's how it feels. Is there a Python 6? There is a Python 6. Python 2 and 3 compatibility tools. I'm going to stop doing any Rust, only do Python. I mean, if that's the life you want to live. So let's do Python 6. 6 is a compatibility layer. Roast pipes at the rock. Yeah, I mean, maybe it's using Rust. I don't know, but the whole setup thing is crazy. I don't know actually. I probably don't even need Python to be sure, to be honest. So I just want to get the thing I'm having to run. But let's see. It's gonna be the last try anyway. So if that doesn't work, we'll just scrap all of that and start working on the real thing. I installed something a little while back. Aren't you running your Flask app? Right now, I'm running a Flask app, yeah. And it was like, error, you need this Python, so I installed it. I was like, error, you need this node. And you installed that as well? I was like, for real, I have... The thing is, if you're what system are you on? Are you on Ubuntu? If you're on Ubuntu, I think it's renamed to Node.js or something like that. JavaScript owns life. Wow. I mean, it's kind of true. It's kind of true. Come on. Okay, you know what? No. Just no. I'm on Windows. Windows XP or Windows 10? What Windows are you using? Screw that. Screw that. Who needs that? No one. Show me. Okay. I would have just ignored everything and got with big boy tools like Rust. So that's my requirements, TXT. It's Flask and Redis. Done. "20 seconds of latency." Well, that's almost half a minute. And that was a completely unnecessary comment. Finally getting used to this streamer thing and making unnecessary comments here and there. Okay, maybe just use Python image instead of Manjaro. Maybe just don't use Python. Maybe just do rm. See? Be gone requirements. What's next? Be gone app.py. Be gone PyCache. Going to play pause at the risk of a pre-roll. There we go, 3 seconds. Yeah, if I would get a... What do you mean permission denied? Are you... Come on. Sudo get rid of that. And my password is wrong again. Whoopie, step up. Steve's friend Steve. Latency test. Oh, much better. But 4 seconds. Yeah. If I would get rickrolled every time I reconnect to Twitch, I would be doing nothing else than reconnecting. Okay, all the crazy, all the stupid stuff is gone. No more flask. No more pip. No more requirements. That's the wrong button. Now we should be able to Pac-Man. Talk about quickly gear the bottom right of the window, click advanced video stats, which show you the actual buffer time and latency. Watching will tell you using an Xbox. Okay, can I install Rust directly via Pac-Man? Should I install Rust directly via Pac-Man? Doesn't matter where you install it from, really. As long as it's real and you can Rust update after. The thing is, do I want to have Rust up update available, or do I not? So let's get rid of Python first. Getting rid of Python should always be the first step in every project you do. Am I able to do just Rust? So probably not needing that. I can answer that because I don't know what you're doing. Don't worry, I also don't know what I'm doing. No, the whole thing is gonna be either written in Rust or shell scripts anyway. So we probably don't need Python, and we most definitely don't need Flask. So let's destroy your latency again. Let's stress the network a bit. Probably don't even need GCC, right? Hey, Carrot. I'm struggling with Docker. How are you? How was your day? Did all the meetings go well? So cargo, init, dot? Or just init? Just init, okay. Now we do Docker file again. That's cargo run -- release. Right. Do we need to copy? Yeah, we need to copy, otherwise it won't work. I'm okay, thanks. But how about is the Docker Savant Betty here to save you? Yeah, hopefully. The meetings are okay, thanks. That's nice to hear. The only Dockers I know are the ones who build chips. Don't use Docker and I don't understand, it's too close to web for my liking. Okay, let's go one down. Docker compose up. Okay, it's running now. It's still running a Flask app. Docker compose down. I know you can't see that, but Docker compose up again. It's still running the same thing. Why? Why are you not? Why are you hating me? Oh. Okay, cd Not CD. I can't CD into files. Docker compose. So that's gone. That's... yeah, let's leave it at that. To close for web, in what way? Probably because it's used for web service and stuff like that most of the time. Okay, so where am I? Docker, compose, images. There are no images. Docker, compose, up. Why is it still running Flask? Down. Well, it's not most. Yeah, it's kind of true. What? Most of the time it's used for real work. Just if you see someone using for Node or whatever, it doesn't mean it's true. Yeah, I think it wasn't completely meant seriously though. So I think it was meant more as a joke, as instead of a real thing. For me, the reason I don't use Docker is because most of the time I just don't need it. So, and right now I don't know why it's still serving Flask. Oh, because that built the old one before I actually changed it. Okay. Now I get it. I think I get it. Do I get it? I do not get it. What? Okay, I installed everything I should install. Yes, good for the developer if you need to run some stuff and don't want to install it on your own OS. Yeah, I do understand that, but there are certain things where I just wanna either download the binary or install the binary in my system and not wanna set up 5 Docker containers for it to work. So, but I do understand why people do it. It's easier and cleaner. I'm completely with that. So, can I do that again? No. So now using cache. Wait, shouldn't I use Docker Compose instead? No. What? Like, if I need to test my software that works in Kafka, it's insane to install it on my own OS. Yeah, that's what I meant. I do understand that. So I'm not against that though. I'm just saying sometimes. Hello Bird Exit, finally. Sometimes there are use cases where I think it's like with everything else. So sometimes people just overuse technology because they like to, and it's completely their right. But sometimes I just want to do an install and run. There is no need for a Docker container for everything. That's what I'm trying to say. Same to yeah. Okay, Arch Oh, wait. The other one. Rocket RS. Are they still nightly? Yeah, they're still nightly. Oh, why are they still nightly? Wouldn't... Okay. It's fine though, it's fine. Could just use something else, right? Yeah, I need to work with RabbitMQ, Kafka, and MySQL, Redis. Yeah, that's completely understandable. So, I mean, also Docker simplifies so many things. Quick start. The thing is that I don't even know that the last project I checked out where Docker annoyed me. But it was something where you could you could have just given me a binary basically, and it would run. Vim is like a low door opening. You always hit your head on. You think? Wow. Oh, okay. Hello world. Cargo tumble. Cargo add rocket. I broke the toggle bit with that. Was curious if it would go here. Yeah, the thing is, I'm not a long time Vim user yet, so I still sometimes agree with you. I'm not agreeing with the always part. Okay, rust up. So you understand even better? Yeah. Obviously. Is there something to create a toolchain file? Or is that something you need rust up for? Wait, I just need to put nightly in here. Okay, let's cargo run first. What? Because of the stupid mapping. Docker compose. Yeah, let's be gone. Cargo, there is no need for RF. Sudo rm cargo lock. Oh, there is a need for RF. Oh boy, oh boy. What? What are you complaining? No such directory, target build. Huh. so it does correctly start. So that's the internal port, right? Yeah, host port, container port. Okay. Now we're waiting for the build, which you can't see because my camera is in the way. But it should work. Kinda. Yeah. I mean, that's the cool thing about the really cool thing about streaming is, first of all, learning new stuff, like just learning Docker randomly for some random projects because you need it, and having Twitch chat to talk to and work together on stuff. I really like that. It's really cool. Because otherwise I probably would just have given up. Okay, so it didn't work. It didn't take. Yeah, without chat, it's just education. And without chat, it's not even education because you just talk to yourself, right? Okay, so how do I get Rust unstable? Okay, I'm gonna just do Rust up now instead. Think Rust up should be available. Isn't there a Rust up somewhere? In the AUR Rust up? Okay, so there's only the Git version. Okay, Rust of RS. Let's do it the direct way. Docker file. So we also don't need rip grab. Okay, so Docker compose down. Docker compose build web. Still many errors. What? Okay, I have no idea what's failing there. Meantime. Yeah, that's not how you spell Docker. Can I pass the arguments? Okay, let's do something like that. Rust up sh probably run chmod plus x rust up sh run. Is it minus y? Yeah. You're making it harder for yourself by using base Manjaro image there. Strip down. Just use Rust image. Probably, yeah. The thing is, I'm not quite sure if they have everything I need though. And because I'm using Manjaro on my desktop, I figured it would be nice to just use Manjaro on Docker as well, because it's the same system. Yeah, I know that I don't need to use the same as the host. The thing is, if something goes wrong and I'm using an OS in Docker I'm not familiar with, it's harder for me to debug it. It's better to have something than zero. These base images are empty. You must install every package, is a waste of time. That's understandable. Okay. Wait, isn't Buster Debian-like? Or Ubuntu? Something like that? Okay, so you mean I should just do Rust latest? I mean, Debian is fine. I know a thing or two about Debian. So just to Rust latest. Not that is all gone now. Buster Debian stable. Okay. So that should already be done. Let's build it again. I hope that doesn't kill the stream again. Oh, it's the demon. Okay, whatever. Yeah. I mean, it's already done. So it should be back now. Yeah. Let's see if it works. Recompose up. And the next download. Yes, it gets the current nightly. It's gonna be done soon. Sorry for all the latency stuff. I have a pretty beefy internet connection, but apparently installing stuff is still too much while streaming, which is kind of understandable though. Wait, doesn't that need to be changed to the other port as well? So that needs to be 8000 as well, right? Okay, let me just check something. Not remove. Doesn't matter how beefy your internet is. Yeah, that's true. That is absolutely true. Dropped frames, compound time. Yeah. If you steal... I mean, my OBS shows me I'm using about 10%. It's using about 10%. So it shouldn't be that bad, I think. It kind of is that bad. I have 5% dropped frames. Wow. Yeah, but when you do Rust compile test to load all the available cores threads, true. Can expose port at runtime. Okay. Yeah, I need to just completely restrict that. Come on. Let's just see if it works. It does not. Well, had dropped frames that I wasn't even live. I don't trust Twitch. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, go. Does it build the whole thing again? Please tell me it doesn't build the whole thing again. Oh, okay. Why though? This would rebuild everything. Put expose at the end. Oh, so you mean change the order in the Docker file? So you mean I should take that and put it down here? Right? So just so I understand it. No. It's not my bad Docker file writing. It's just a tutorial I followed. So I haven't done anything in here, really, but I just also don't know that that's a thing. So I should probably also do that below, kind of? No? Right, have to do bedtime. Have fun doing bedtime. Okay, so should I move the copy down as well? Well, not this much down. No, I can't. That's stupid. I can't do the copy. It's layered file system. Okay, so it goes top down, and if I change something higher up, it's gonna trigger a rebuild for all. Every layer has a cache. Okay. That makes sense. I mean, it still doesn't work though. Oh. Maybe just... Wait, it's not hello? What? Oh, come on, Rocket, please. What is happening? Oh. So. No. Hello. Twitch. The other one as well. Okay, the other one as well. Hello, Twitch. That's too much. 5. Hello, 5-year-old names Twitch. So every change above needs to rebuild all beneath. Oh, 8,000. Oh no, the exported port is 5,000. It's just internal. The port is different. Why are you complaining? Yeah. Yeah, no problem, no problem. Okay, so now let's kill everything again. Let's build again. Now it should build one more time probably. Oh no, now it's fast. That's cool. Okay, okay, okay. I need to write that down. Personal wiki. Other. It's not other. Info set knowledge base. So Docker. Docker files are cached in layers. Layers. Come on. Starting. No, are cached in layers and form a top-down dependency chain. It means if you change something higher up, everything below will get rebuilt Okay. Oh, not build again. That is really, really cool. What? Huh. Oh, no. Cancel. Abort. I have an idea. We be using it with having these in mind, but can be fast, stock or ignore to exclude some files from context. Okay, so I can do run cargo build dash release, which should be cached, and then the command, which is run every time. Copy that will. So if you're using it with having these in mind, builds can be fast. Okay. But wait, okay. Does that mean because I have a target folder that overrides my internal target folder? And I should actually exclude that. So it should do v. What's it called? Docker ignore target, right? I mean, the thing I was just doing right now. We did use target. No, release. And what's it called? Compose test. You're writing it to comment. No, I want it executed. That's the thing I want executed though. I just thought if I do a cargo build separately, then that can be cached. So the build step will be cached, and the CMD stuff is run every time, because I don't need to rebuild every time, right? Wait, no. The thing is, in release, it would probably be best to do something like that. So cache the cargo build once and run many. But if I change it, as long as we're developing, I think the other way would be better to run cargo build every time. Because if I change something, I don't want to rebuild the whole Docker image, right? Kind of. Was okay. Because with that, I need to do... If you change file that is not source related, copy will always copy all. Must run cargo. Okay. Let's go back to what we had. It's the wrong place. It's cargo. Run. Release. Okay, so now it does build. I should run cargo build. Okay. Okay, so I should do the thing I just did. Got it. Run. That's cargo build dash release. And that's now wait. Yeah. Yeah, I should have listened. Release compose test. So but now I need to rebuild again. But now do I need to now I need to run now I need to rebuild the Docker container every time I change the source, right? Run monkey type once. Okay. You get the choice. Do you wanna have the command line version? Or do you wanna have the web version and do monkeytype.com? It's your choice. I'm gonna do either one. Okay. Oh, I shouldn't have. What? Wait. Oh, come on. I hate when that happens. Okay, so but once Rust goes live on monkey type, you know what's up. Yeah, it's normal flow. You do Docker build. We need to change in code or Docker compose build to make it simpler. Okay, got it. That's understandable. So let me just fix a few things for my stream. Okay. I shouldn't have been tapped. So is there still no? Yeah, let's do release. Okay, are you ready? I'm not. That 2 is a cool word. Equals text new text none. What? No. $16 words per minute. I'm getting worse. Oh no. Not do it again. Okay. Back to here. It ran correctly. Now I should run Docker up. And it's doing what it's supposed to do. A 234-year-old. Okay. So that's gone. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. Leave that. Yeah, let's remove all the Python stuff. Move all of that. So much thinking to do. Okay. Let's see how long are we live. 240. Let's actually move that. Let's move everything. Let's move everything. Minus R, everything to projects MMM. That wasn't a move. That's a copy. Whatever. Oh, so it needs to be rebuilt now. That actually makes sense. Docker. Yeah, but it's slower because it's not using cargo cache like locally. What do you mean with that? I mean, I could locally cache everything. I could copy the target directory as well, or map the target directory, actually. Right? You can write to have persistent cache with packages, but it will get more complicated. Huh. I mean, that the thing is, it's once it's kind of done, it shouldn't get built that often. So it's like a one-off install and be done with it kind of thing. But do we want to cache them? Do we want to cache them though? The thing is, I need to definitely read up on that. Just saying that's a possibility. Oh, okay, got it. In practice, building some big project from scratch. Okay. It's so slow. Yeah, but you need to build it at least once, right? So first time building it will be slow no matter what, right? For CI is expected because build should be mutable, isolated. I'm not sure I'm agreeing with you on that one. Cache, cargo. But for local dev, it's a pain. Yeah, I mean the thing with CI is if you're going for reproducible builds, you want to be explicit about updating libraries anyway, so you can absolutely cache all the libraries. It makes it a bit more complicated, and it might introduce bugs depending on if you're using NPM or stuff, but I think it's definitely something to look into. It's principle for CI. Trust me, I was working professionally as DevOps for a couple of years, building complex apps with Docker, etc. I don't doubt that. I really don't doubt that. I know it's easier to just not cache anything and clean everything and do a complete rebuild in CI. But I also don't think that it needs to be that way. So maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. It's just my opinion with working with that stuff. Because I did do a bit of CI at work, or I am doing a bit of CI at work, and I think it's absolutely doable to just cache stuff like that. But that also it depends, because if you update, yeah, but if you update your dependencies every day and you always want to have the latest stuff, then it's not necessary to cache. But if you want to have something stable and you update your dependencies once a month or something like that, you can manually clear the cache if you like, and always use the cache instead. You are stopping to use Docker build. Okay, what's the alternative? There are better tools for building images. Okay. Like? Build kit. No blockchain today. Yeah, I'm trying to get I'm trying to get some kind of schedule. So Mondays is gonna be Minecraft stuff. Preparing for the Minecraft thing. Tuesdays is gonna be C++, T-Worlds programming probably. We're gonna have one day of the week where we just explore maybe new programming languages, do something like that. One day with blockchain and another one which is free. So I don't actually know what we do on the 5th day. Okay. Blah blah blah. User range controllers. Blah blah blah. Docker build enhancements for blah blah blah. By integrating build kit, users should see an improvement of performance, storage management, feature functionality, and security. Okay. Docker images created with build kit can be pushed to Docker Hub just like Docker images created with legacy build. Docker form that works in legacy build will also work with build kit builds. The new secret command line option allows the user to pass secret information for building new images with a specified Docker file. Okay. By the way, do you have screen tearing, or is it something stream related? I think I have stream tearing sometimes. I already installed a compositor, I think it's called. But I still get tearing sometimes. But this is good for CI. For local dev, stick to Docker build. Okay. I mean, I'm looking into it. So... just a second. Things to look into. There build kit it was called. Build kit. Right? Yeah. So that's the first thing. Okay. Oh, come on. Check GitHub repo. Build kit is a toolkit for converting source code to build artifacts in an efficient, expressive, and repeatable manner. Automatic garbage collection, set of front-end formats, concurrency depending resolution, efficient instruction caching. Okay. Build kit has been integrated to Docker build since Docker 8.6. You don't need to read this document unless you want to use the full features in the long version of build kit. Also, that's already the Docker information. That's already that stuff. Okay, so I need an environment variable. Okay, yeah, I need to do some reading on that, but I'm gonna do that off screen. Off stream. Okay, the links are stored correctly. Save that. Yes, I'm gonna read up on that. I also probably gonna end the stream right now, because my brain explodes from all the the build stuff and Docker stuff and so on and so forth. Okay. Let's kill you. Okay, let's kill you. Whoa. That's not what I wanted. Let's see who we can raid. Okay, well, we are not going to do German streams. Sorry, German streamers. Docker is really good, highly recommend to learn it, can be used for benchmarking, profiling, integrated tests, whatever. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna read up on everything and check everything out you told me. It's really helpful, and I think for the project I'm doing, Docker is the way to go. But I'm also not quite sure how I will build everything. So it's gonna be a little bit of experimentation, and maybe I'll just do one service which does everything. Maybe we'll Docker compose many services. I really have no idea what it's going to be, but I'll definitely look into it. Okay, on to the raid. Thank you all for watching. I hope you had a good time. Hope you liked the stream today. And I'm gonna stream tomorrow again. Like I said, tomorrow is gonna be C++, T-Worlds. Yeah, that's about it. So have a good evening, and we'll see each other tomorrow. Bye.